G'day, Trey Sam here from Trade to Prosper. Today's Saturday, 23rd of November. Looking at Dodge and what is it going to do in this bull market. Without going to too much details, this is a wave 3, this is a wave 4, now looking for wave 5. We have a breakout in an essence, very clear line there, compliance. And if we look across the board, we have this is the base. Base is a usually good starting point. Buying the dips, it never came down again, so it kept above it. Been ideal for it to flip and then back up there. That would have been a good entry point. Didn't happen, and I didn't keep an eye on it either. Now you can see this is a strong move. Like we said, if that's a 3 and a 4, let's just do this for a sec. Let's see if this fits the general rule. Yeah, golden ratio. There you go. So that's a nice fit. So what can we do from a Fibonacci perspective? If this is wave 1, wave 2, we include that. So it's broken above 1. So look at that, 1.414 is likely to be a resistance, this weekly level. I think this will continue up and eventually hit that and come back down. The question is it going to be this Fibonacci that will find support, or to this golden pocket and then back up? Much more to go. Initial target will be that, and funny enough, it's almost equal to 1, and so on. So this could be wave 3, 4. Where's wave 5? So we're going to look for wave 5. Ideally, we want wave 5 up there, right? Ideally, that's a golden pocket there. Let's see how this works out. Let's do this from here. All right, we include the wick from there to there. See if there's any other confluence. 618 might even get to there. So we're going to expect, if it gets to this level, we're going to expect this to be resistance, strong resistance, and that's $2.29. So it's still got a bit more to go. Finding entry is going to be the hard part here. So let's go to a small time frame. Let's look on the daily. So that was the move. So this is likely to continue. While Bitcoin goes sideways, this is likely to continue. There could be, and it doesn't look like this is going to pull back. If it does pull back there, but that's where I'm going to find resistance. If it goes above, then we can look at the weekly for support and then continue on. Now let's look on small time frames. Can we do anything here? Not really. Bit too late in the picture. Look at that. It's all sideways. That was the moment you should have jumped in. Let's do that. So yes. So we're going to get another move. I think a small time frame move, 1 for 1. So if we go from there to there, we probably get the same from there to there, 79. With a, yeah, I do think so. So for spot trade, yes, you probably couldn't wait for pullback. Might not happen. And if you look at this one, as soon as it came out, there's a bit of a pullback, but those deep pullbacks are what we're looking for. So if we do that, pullback, previous support, golden ratio, so there's nothing there yet. Let's anticipate this. Say this was, and look, that even actually matches there, the golden pockets there. Previous, so this is likely to continue up. Like I said, that is my level of resistance, 60% of the way. So let's do this from there. Put that 1 there, and again, we can see why we're getting resistance here. Let's just do that, make that the golden pocket. Why we got resistance there? So we got the Fibonacci golden ratio, that's the main resistance. So Fib 1 is what we're looking at. That is the main resistance. Once it gets past that, again, 1.414 to 1.618, based on this structure, small time frame. Looking for the setup. Let's add in the 10 and 20 moving average. Ideally, we want to see this pullback, get a rejection, come back down, take out the previous bottom, and then back up into the 10 and 20 moving average. This is on the 1 hour. So if we were to trade this, we'll look for a setup. It might come, it might not come. There we go. Could be a range. Shorting there, longing there. Let's put our MACD. Let's see what MACD does for the trend. Yeah, so that's still, the trend's still there. So if we get that pullback, it's just going to go MACD and then continue on. And that's nice, into the pocket. That's a strong move. That was a breakout move. You can see on the 1 hour, the 10 and 20 moving average is perfect to go into. Let's just look at another thing, just curious. Where's the crossover? That was your entry there. One of my styles, one of my methods. And we'll get the VWAP. Let's see what the VWAP does. Okay, that's not going to help us. Ideally, if it came down here, that would be even better. All right, but it's very bullish. Why didn't we get that? We're at 10 and 20. There we go. So 10 and 20 moving average on the 1 hour is our trend. 2 hour. 2 hour works for me. Again, 10 moving average and so on. Small time frame. It didn't quite take out the previous high. Yeah. I like to see it go up and then get a rejection. And then breaks below that, short. And let's do this last bit. Okay, there you go. So we're getting a rejection there. Value area high, getting a rejection. It's not the best. I usually look for the 30-minute candle finish. Let's see, it's not bearish enough yet. Still got 17 minutes. Right, let's look at the 15 minute. That looks bearish. 3 black candles. Let's see how this closes before making a decision. But that looks like a rejection. So what we have also potentially this level. Value area high. We might not just do that. We might get below it. Like to see it happen. So what we have here is basically value area low. So price comes down here. I like to see take this out and regain that value area high or low. Sorry, this blue level. That is your long. Might get a rejection, back test, and then back up again. This might go straight up or range a bit more, and then see how that goes. Golden ratio, guys. So if it comes down there, we do a Fibonacci. Might get a rejection here, come back down. It's a hard stage, no rush. This is scalp trading at the moment. You can average in with the pullback, but that's what we've got here right now. So swing failure pattern, pin bar candle on the 15 or 30 minutes. At the moment, you can see this is bearish divergence, so it's likely to keep coming down. So I've got a small short in there at the moment. scalp trade, and that's it. But we're looking for a range, ranging somewhere around here. Whatever pattern it does, eventually a breakout, and we'll see more highs. I'm going to wrap it up on that, guys. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon.
There you have it. Please give Sam a like, share, and subscribe to his channel to support him for doing more of these posts.